Okay guys, ito na, it's yummy! My dragon fruit smoothie! Wow! Oops! Wow, have still for the twins. See? Have for the twins. And this one is for Hamud. Take it for you, Hamud. That's yours. Yummy? Me too. This is mine. Wow. See the color, guys. Wow, so nice. Bye everyone. Good. Thanks for watching. Okay, hello mga ka-reels. Nagawa tayo ng dragon fruit. Yan guys. Yung dala ko ng dragon fruit guys. Hindi pa nakain yung iba. So, gagawin na lang natin na juice. Dragon fruit juice. Okay. Yan guys. Okay. Pinalatan na yan. So, ito babalatan natin. Okay. Yan. So, tatlo to. Try natin. Okay. Yan guys. So, lagyan natin ng... Don't take me a photo. Okay. Make it good, okay? Hold it very well. Okay guys, yan. Ito lang ang gagawin nating asukal para masarap talaga siya. Okay. And then it like this. How to start this one? Try it this one guys. See? Okay. Try it. Give me the other one, this spoon. Just try. Okay. Make it like this. Oh yeah, enough. Hey, yummy, Hamud.
Really?
Yes. Yes, yummy. We put it there, we add more milk. Wait. Just wait. And then we close it.
Tight.
Again, okay?
Now.
Do it. Okay, Allah. Really, it was so nice. So delicious. No, delicious kayo. Wait. So, we put the remaining here. Yeah. For the juice glass jar. Wow, perfect. Wow, see, yummy. Okay, put it here. So thanks guys. Okay, it's all. We put in the fridge guys. Okay, thank you.